Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm participating again in the Useful DI Challenge, and the hostess is MomDas Life Handmade. I'm going to leave the link to her channel and to her co-host channel, which this month is Style with Pat, sorry, for you to pay a visit to them. MomDas Life Handmade is a channel that I really love, and she's adorable. Believe me, she's always so upbeat, so happy. Just watching the beginning of her videos, you feel better, even if you are not having a good day. So I really love her, and she's absolutely creative, and he's always coming up with good and new ideas. I haven't visited Style with Pat before this collaboration, and I was surprised. I found a channel that I immediately subscribed to because she's also really creative. So please visit their channels, and you won't be disappointed, as I always say. And I'm also going to leave the link to the playlist that will include all the participants in this challenge, so you can watch all the videos and get a lot of inspiration. The Useful DIY challenge this month consists in making a present or a gift for Mother's Day, or for any woman in your life that you will like to give a present to. I don't have my mom with me, unfortunately, but I have a very good friend. My friend is my neighbor, but she's more than a neighbor. She's like a sister to me. So I'm going to make this gift for her. I found these candle holders at Dollar Tree a while ago, and I painted them, spray painted them in white. There are some imperfections, but doesn't matter. Handmade things can have imperfections. It's normal, and as I always say, it's okay. I was thinking of covering this part with burlap. Then I decided twine, and then I thought, always twine, always burlap. I want something different. And I happened to find this leftover, this chicken wire leftover that I had from other projects, and it was exactly the size I needed. So I cut this piece and I adhered it with, you see, hot glue. And then I added a little bit of twine with knots here, also with hot glue in the back. And now I'm adhering a bit of twine, a piece of twine, to the border, like so. Again, it doesn't have to be perfect. She is my friend. She's going to value that I invested, as I always say, time instead of money. I really think that when you invest time instead of money in presents, they have much more value. And I do really appreciate when someone does that for me. So I know that my true friends are the same. Well, I'm going to get this later. Just a few dots of hot glue here and there. And here we are, almost done. Okay. Now I was lucky enough to find the other day at Dollar Tree this beautiful, beautiful, beautiful jar for just 50 cents. Because of course it has a lid, and the lid was missing. There were kind of, I think it was 8 of them. Each one was 50 cents. I don't have room in my house for 8 of them, so I brought home one. And I look at the other ones and I thought, oh my god, I would like to take all of them home, but okay. I behaved myself and I only brought one. And I added this twine, and I had this leaf from an old candle, so I decided to add it here and in the bowl. So I'm not going to glue the base of this jar to the bottom of the candle holder, just in case my friend someday wants to remove it, you know, and maybe use this on one place and maybe add flowers or whatever at the on the candle holder. But I'm going to place it here, and then I'm going to place a candle inside of it. This candle is also from Dollar Tree. I don't like that there is something here, but I'm afraid I'm going to ruin the candle. Okay, it's a little bit better. So I'm going to place the candle here, and this is almost done. As you can see, it looks, for me, it looks really beautiful. But if you watch other videos, my other videos, you know by now that my daughter and I are what is called dumpster divers. So we find a lot of treasures in the dumpsters. One of those treasures were these coasters that have letters, different letters. We found like 10 of them with different letters. And the last name of my friend starts with a K. So I thought that I was going to use this as the lid. So whenever she uses the candle holder without lighting the candle, she can have it with the lid. But when she removes the lid to light the candle, she can have a coaster with her initial. You know, maybe having a cup of tea, a cup of coffee. And I thought that that would be a real good complement to the whole piece of the car. So this is mainly all it takes to make this beautiful candle holder. Of course, I'm going to ask her if she wants. I'm going to glue sorry, the jar to the candle holder, but I think that is good to have the option to use them separately, maybe like this somewhere, and place flowers here. Sorry. So this is my piece of decor and gift for my friend that I made for this month Useful DIY Challenge. I hope you like it. Again, thank you to both hostesses for hosting this challenge. Again, please visit their channels and the playlist. And if you like this video, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe. Ring the bell so you will be notified whenever I upload a new video, which is usually on Mondays. Thanks so much for watching. That means the world to me. And honestly, from the bottom of my heart, as I always say. And I really wish you a wonderful day and hope to see you in my next video. Bye bye.